Double job. Yes. Who is first?
Okay, so you finished the training quite fast. And what were your focus in this short training?
In Ramadan, every training is same time.
Di Ramadan,
Duration of the training.
durasi daripada latihan itu sama di bulan Ramadan itu.
So training is 1 hour and 50 minutes every day.
Latihan itu 1 jam 15 menit setiap hari.
So for his information, today was training exactly same duration like every other training.
Jadi kalau kamu bilang ini singkat, aja singkat dari ini kamu salah. Sama semuanya 1 jam 15 menit.
And the second question was what is the focus on?
Ya, what was
So focus was on team tactically things.
iya, tapi cek.